Okay, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of how to add avatars and photos and signatures to your profile that will show up every single time you make a post or do a promotion or advertisement on the Syndicate. So what we'll do is in the upper right hand corner you'll see your profile here. I'll just call this guy Test Guy. Click the pull down menu and go to My Settings. And scroll down and go to Change Your Photo. And you can select something that's on your desktop of your computer. Go to Browse, and we'll just select, say, images. It's a picture. So there's a little photo that will show every time you make a post on the left-hand side. Click Done. Now let's say you want to add a banner or some text that shows up every time underneath your post that you make. And that's your signature. So let's just say we're called ABC Sign Company. We can select it and we can manipulate it to different text. Change the size. So I'm going to get that big. And then we can also change the color. You can make part of it bold if you want. And then you can also make it into a link so that when someone clicks it, it can go to, say, your website. So here's the link button. And we'll say HTTP abcsigncompany.com. That way every time someone clicks it, it goes straight to your website. Let's say underneath you want to add a little banner or an image. Here's the image button. And you can select something, say you have an image uploaded onto your website, so you can get the, and we're just going to pick on SignWorks. And here's the URL address. Just copy that and then paste it, press OK. And this is your little banner. Now you can also select this and click a link, and you can have this go somewhere else. Say it's a quick little promotion you want underneath there. You can have it point somewhere else on your website or your website. Okay, well, now that we finished this, we can go to, we're going to go to our test form to show you what this looks like. So when you make a post or promotion or an announcement of products and services that you're selling, you go to Start New Topic, put in your title, my test profile. Then you can add tags here too, and these show up in search engines a lot easier. So let's say you're promoting wholesale channel letters. You can put wholesale channel letters. That makes it a little easier to find, and just, and then post new topic. And there we are. So when someone mouses over this, they can click that, and it goes to a sign. Who this is? I guess this is a sign company. So anyways, that's how it works. Make a thread, start a new thread for an announcement or promotion for our company. So we'll go to, as I was saying before, you'll want to go ahead and put them into the general message board, which is the most visible and seen by everybody, including people who don't log in. And then we usually leave them there for about a week to 10 days, and then we'll go ahead and move them into the board vendor directory. Here's all the various board vendors, and it's still visible when it's revamped or someone makes a response to it. It's just we put those there for all the announcements instead of flooding the whole message board with those. So let's go ahead and start. We'll go to the test form, just pretend it's the general message board, and we'll start a new topic. And we'll just say, we'll call it major announcement. And your text body, whatever you want to put. And then let's just say you want to put your company YouTube video in there. you can go to YouTube, and we can grab. We'll grab one of ours just to show you. Up on top of the link address here, you can just copy that, and then you bring it over here, and you go to the special BB code, and the pull down menu, and go to YouTube, and then put your link. Just paste it right there, press OK, and then we can come down here and preview the post. And there you'll see the YouTube video. If you want to just give it some more text, let's say you want to attach a PDF file. We can go to attach files. You can choose file, come to our desktop, and let's just say, here we go, it's that Title 24 California form here. You'll see the upload bar here. It's done. Now, when you attach documents, they usually come at the very bottom of the post, but if you want to place them somewhere within the post, let's just say between the text here, you see the cursor, and then go to Add to Post. And that's your PDF file will be put there. And then if you want to add a image, same thing again, choose Files, and then go to, here's a picture of a pole sign. It's pretty big. If you can try and size them down somewhere with a width of 1,000 pixels, this is a little big, so it's going to scale in there. You can click on, it'll go full size. But it'll just take a little longer to load for the viewers. Just give it some more text. Let's just say you have a lot of things you want to say. And add to post. And we can preview. There's your image. Now this is a really big image, so if you want to, someone clicks on it, I'll go to larger scale. Here's your PDF document. Someone clicks on it, and they'll download it. Each browser is a little different, so some will open right in the browser, some will download into a folder somewhere, just depending who it is. Whereas mine just opened up instantly. So maybe you have a promotion sheet you want to add to your announcement. And then when everything's said and done, you just hit post new topic when you're finished. Now let's say you made a little mistake somewhere, you have to correct. I think you have about a half hour, 45 minutes to edit this when you're done, or you can always contact us if you notice something later. But you should see a little edit right here, and then you can just add more. And like I talked about earlier, you can add links, pictures that aren't attached. So maybe it's an image that's on your website. You can copy the URL address and put it here. Bold, italic, underscore, different sizes, text, your alignment. You can select certain things and say center alignment, right alignment. And that works over images as well. You can select, well, this image is so large, but you can go ahead and make that center alignment. So there's lots of things you can play with. And that does it for making simple posts.